Happy morning, children. How are you, children? This is your Jyoti teacher. Children, I hope that all are fine. And children, in this pandemic situation, we got this great opportunity to learn subjects through online. So, children, utilize this opportunity and learn the subjects. And children, today we see our English lesson 1. Mohsin gets an A. See, Mohsin gets an A means a boy who got A grade. I will explain that. And see, children, I want to tell you one thing. Practice makes a man perfect. I think, do you remember what is practice makes a man perfect? Especially, we have seen this in our life. Children, when you have joined in school, you are unable to write in a proper manner. It means legible writing. So, now see, comparatively from LKG to now, you are able to write in a neat manner. No. See here, in the sense. So, how was it happened? It happened because of your regular practice. Because of your regular practice. So, children, I want to tell you one thing. What is that is? Practice makes a man perfect. It means to succeed in any activity, we have to practice a lot. Success comes to us only when we work for it. Or success comes to those people who work for it. It means we should keep trying till we succeed in what we want to do. It means if we want to get success, we have to practice for it, children. So, children, today, before getting into the lesson, we see this. What is our lesson, children? Mohsin gets an A. So, in this story, Mohsin is a boy who is in 3rd standard, like you, children. Here, A indicates, in the title of the lesson we have seen no A. It tells us the good grade of a student in any test or competition. You know that? In any competition or in any test, if you get good grade, how they will give you? They will give you A. So, maximum, especially you see this in your progress report. Yes or no? We can see this in progress report, that A grade. So, children, before getting into the lesson, we have to learn vocabulary. Vocabulary is nothing but the new words. And with their meanings also, we learn that. And we must see the characters first. So first we see the characters and later we learn the meanings. So what are the characters in this story, children? We can see the characters. Characters are nothing but the role plays. How many role plays are there in that? Here in this story, 4 are they. Who are they? First character is Mohsin. Now only I told about that boy, no? Mohsin. And the second one is Mohsin's mother. And the third, Mohsin's friends. Actually, when you go to school, you have so many friends there. Here also, Mohsin had 3 friends. Who are they? Umang, Ojaz and Tawfiq. So these are Mohsin's friends. And Mohsin's teacher. who gives a grade to the students when they win in the quiz competition. So now we see the vocabulary. Vocabulary means already told you know. The meanings. Now we see that. See this? First one is dash. Dash means here rush or race. And the second one fling means throw or toss. And the third one relief. Relief means feeling relaxed. Sometimes we say, completed this thing, like that we say no. Very relaxedly we say it. So that relief means feeling relaxed. Tumble. Tumble means fell out. Next scared. Frightened or shaking with fear. Now see this. Dash means rush or race. Through this picture we can easily understand what is dash. Dash means rush or race. And fling. See that boy, he had thrown his bag aside. So that is throw or toss. Tumble. Tumble means fell out. Here see how the boy fell out. Children, scared looking. Scared looking means nothing but it indicates about handwriting. See handwriting, when you did not write properly, some shaking is there in that handwriting. That is called as scared looking. It means not proper. Now we see the remaining. Appeared. Appeared means visible, which we can see, that is called as appeared. And the next one is nodded. Nodded means lower and raise one's head slightly and briefly. It means nothing but lower. It means down our head and up, raising up. It means down and up our head very slowly. That is called as nodded. And shook. Shook means moved up and down or from side to side. Shook is nothing but either we can do, it means we can shake our head up and down or from side to side, both. In this picture we can see that nodded means head nod, that is up and down. But shook means either we can do up and down or from side to side. That is called as shook. I think you got the difference between nodded and shook. Now children, we start the lesson. See here. So every day when Mohsin returns home from school, immediately he dashes into the house. Dashes means he runs into the house and flings his bag. Flings means throw his bag on one side of the room and says that he was hungry and what was for lunch. He usually does this. So this is the routine work of Mohsin when he returns home from school. But on that day, what happened we see. But on the day when Mohsin returned from school, he walked in slowly and quietly into the house and sat down. See how he was today? Very sad. Then Mohsin's mother asked worriedly. So even your mother also asks you when you are in a very sad mood. Your mother asks no. In the same sense, here Mohsin's mother asked him worriedly if Mohsin was feeling unwell or his teacher scolded him on the day. She thought that she don't know what had happened. That's why she thought in this manner. But Mohsin shook his head. Shook Already I told you, shook means either up and down or from side to side. He shook his head. Then Amina. Amina is Muhsin's mother. Amina asked why he was sad. See, by looking Muhsin in that sad mood, Amina asked why he was sad. Then Muhsin looked up with tears in his eyes. So when he looked up, tears are there in his eyes. He said that every week there is a quiz competition conducted by his teacher. So what he told? Every week their teacher used to conduct a quiz competition in the classroom. And whoever wins the quiz competition, they get a chocolate as a present by the teacher. So they used to get a chocolate by the teacher. Then what happened we see now next. He also said that his friends Umang, Ojos and Taufik had won the competition previous. So it means Muhsin's friends, these three, they already won this competition in previous quiz. But Muhsin did not win the competition this time also. That's why he was very sad. Muhsin's mother tries to console him. But Muhsin remains upset. See these children? I think regularly or sometimes it happens to all. Whenever you feel very sad and you did not get anything, you cry or you feel very sad. Then there is a one person who is at your mother. She is there with you and she tells that not to worry. So children, in the next session we continue this story, but learn the given vocabulary and listen to the video and audio twice and thrice. Okay, thank you children.